Hey guys, Blair Nightingale here, TRADEway, keys for transformation. We're giving you simple keys you can apply to your life to help you bring transformation to anything that you want to see changed in your life. This is today's real simple to understand, not always simple to implement, very important to embrace. Risk, right? Risk. If we want to bring transformation into our lives, we have got to be willing to bring some risk. So let's talk for a second. The obvious, why don't we risk? Number one reason, fear. Fear. Paul said that we have not been given a spirit of fear, but of power, love, and a sound mind. So the spirit that we have been given is not one of fear. That also tells us that there are actually spirits of fear. Fear has a demonic influence to it, and it is the number one killer of destiny because we refuse to move forward. Think about it. When the Israelites did not go into the promised land, what happened? They feared. And because of their fear, they did not think that they could conquer in what they were called to do. They forgot that God had already conquered in what they had been through. Fear became a demonic influence, and it comes to steal, to kill, and destroy. So we need to remember that fear, while it may be common that it comes up, it is not normal for us to embrace fear and so let it rob us of our future and destiny. If we want to bring change, if we want to embrace change, if we want to walk with the Lord on the water, then we have got to have the courage to call out to Him, say, Lord, if it's you, call me to you, because if it's you, nothing's going to stop me. I'm coming. I'm going to be one of the 12 who gets out of the boat, walks on water, and does something extraordinary with you. I'm going to risk. I'm going to change my life.